Alright, we back again. Alright, just finished unboxing my Liberty Walk kit for my Mini Cooper. So, we can start right here. That's the rear bumper. And so these pieces here, they go in those two spots right there. There's two of them, one left, one right. Oops, we have the diffuser right there that goes below the front bumper. Sorry. There. And then we got here this piece right here will be the trunk spoiler, which is gonna go like right here. Yeah, it's like that. This piece right here, the roof spoiler, I don't remember ordering this piece, but anyway, it's here. So yeah, maybe I replace this one. I'm not sure as yet, but this one will go right up top here. And then you walk here, and we got the side skirt. Front bumper. This is two separate pieces. Turn this over like that. So this is you have the diffuser that goes underneath. That's the bumper. And then you got the diffuser right there on the front. And you have the other side skirt. So yeah, that's it. Small kit, not a lot of pieces to it. I'll drop the car off today at the shop. I don't know how long they'll take to repaint the kit, but also we're gonna repaint the whole car. There's some little spots on it that are faded, so in the roof, I don't think you can see it in my camera, but there's some little dents in the roof. Kind of looks like hail damage. Not sure if it is or not, but yeah, still repaint the whole roof. Probably do black roof instead of white, and also probably change the mirrors to black also instead of white. So, yeah. Change these trims, also gonna be black. And having this up. And these lights here, these will go in the rear bumper. There. These are aftermarket, so if you can see the ones that come with the car, they won't fit in the rear bumper. So this piece right here is what the lights will go in, which is a little different from the OEM ones. So, alright, I'll keep you guys updated. For now, that's it. Peace.